This question says that figure ABCD is an isosceles trapezoid, and they give us angle A, and they ask us to find angles B, C, and D. All right, so the very first thing I get is that it's an isosceles trapezoid, which to me means that this side and this side are congruent. Well, cool thing about isosceles trapezoids, just like with isosceles triangles, if two of the sides are congruent, that means that the two angles are congruent. So I can say that, let me switch colors since that color is so close. Okay, I can say that this angle and this angle are congruent, and I can say that this angle, that's 64, and this angle are congruent. All right, so if this one is 64, that means this one is 64. And now I just need to figure out what these are. All right, so let's see. We've got angle B, angle C, and angle D. And we said angle B is 64. Okay, so one way that you could do this is you could take a whole trapezoid is 360 degrees. So do 360 degrees minus 64 minus 64. And you get 232 degrees left over. Well, that 232 degrees needs to be shared equally between these two angles. And to share something equally in math, you divide it by 2. So 232 divided by 2 gives me 116. So I could say that this one is 116 and this one is 116. So C and D are both 116 degrees. Now, another way that we could have done this is, I know that same side interior angles of a trapezoid are supplementary. So I know that this and this angle together have to make 180. So from the very beginning, I could have done 180 minus 64 and got this 116 right here. Either one of those ways would have worked. But in this isosceles trapezoid, we found angles B, C, and D.